I have a mini project that I'm going to be working on today. I bought 2 of these lamps at Ross. Oh, I want to say they were about $25 each. And, you know, they have that rustic kind of farm style kind of look, which I personally love. And you see all that brown spot in between? My grandmother was like, "That's dirty." I said, "No, that's the style." She said, "No, that's dirty. You have to return it." I said, no, that's the style. And this is the style. So she obviously didn't like it. So what I'm going to do is I am going to paint it with a similar color all around. And then I'm going to make all these little details stand out with using a new method that I haven't used. But I'm going to use gold. I will show you the can once this is dry and I'm ready to apply it. And the spray paint that I'm using is Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch. It's paint and primer all in one. And the color that I chose is Satin Smokey Beige. And because I like my products to have that matte look, I decided to go for that satin. So it's not shiny, it's not glossy. And all I did was just go back and forth, not too close, not too far. So now you can see this is what it looked like before, and this is after. Dirty, according to my grandmother, and now it's just a solid color. So I think one coat's gonna be fine, and then I'm gonna wait for it to dry, and then I'm gonna add the yellow, or not the yellow, but the gold accent. So before and after. To bring out the details on the lamp, I'm going to use Shabby Chic Furniture Paint Antique Gold. Look how beautiful that color is. Oh my goodness. I ran out of the big sponges, so I'm going to be a little ghetto and I'm just going to use a new one of these. So improvise, right? And all I'm going to do is I'm just going to lightly dip the sponge into the paint, and then I'm just going to dab over all of the details that are popping out just to give them a little bit more definition. Now this is what it looked like right after I spray painted it, and this is what it looked like after I just dabbed it with a little bit of that antique gold from Shabby Chic. Has a very metallic look to it, which is beautiful. So I don't know, I'm loving this style. What do you guys prefer? Do you prefer the plain look better, or do you prefer that really dramatic look? Hope you all enjoyed this short tutorial.